At Farmboy, we believe every brand has a story to tell. Greiner Buildings came to us with a mission to refresh their image, elevate their online presence, and honor the legacy they've built over the past 35 years. We began with a complete rebrand, crafting a fresh new look, logo, and tagline. Greiner, more than metal. Because Greiner Buildings are more than just structures, they're about the people and the community behind each build. We focused on humanizing their brand, highlighting the dedicated team that made Greiner Buildings a trusted name. Our rebrand wasn't just about aesthetics, it was about connecting with the hearts of their audience. Our strategy didn't stop at a new logo. With the end user in mind, we designed and built Greiner an interactive custom website that not only showcases their impressive portfolio, but also provides an intuitive and engaging experience for every visitor. We expanded Greiner's social media reach, developed a CRM system to keep them connected with past and potential customers, and launched targeted paid ad campaigns to drive engagement. We also created engaging blog content and powerful brand videos, including heartfelt testimonials from satisfied customers. Each piece of content is crafted to reinforce the trust and reliability that Greiner Buildings stands for. At Farmboy, we thrive on transforming brands with a rich history, making them look better, sound better, all while showcasing them better than ever before. We're Farmboy. Real, good work.